Today we are going to discuss JEE Mains 2024 question related to optical problem. A ray of light passing through the point 3, 10. A ray of light passing to the point 3, 10. This is a ray. The ray of light passing through a point 3, 10. It is reflected. If it is reflected on the line 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. When it is reflected here, then reflected ray will be like this. He is saying that the reflected ray is passing through 7, 2 point. If the equation of the incident ray, this is an incident ray, this is given ax plus by ax plus by plus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is normal to the plane, normal to the line. So this angle will be same, equally divides. What is the question? A ray is passing through, a ray of light passing through 3, 10, which is reflected on this line. It is reflected on this line and passing through this reflected ray is this, and it is passing through 7, 2. The equation of incident line is this. Then what is the value of a square plus b square plus 3ab? Now we have to find incident ray. To find incident ray, if I expand this, what happened? This point 7, 2. With this respect to this mirror line, if I find the image will be fall on this incident ray. So first I have to find the image of this, and that will give you incident line, and that you compare, you will get a value, b value, you can find the answer. Very simple. So first of all, we have to use the image formula. H minus x1 by a is equals to a minus y1 by b is equals to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now if you are comparing this with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equals to minus 6. This is the point x1 comma y1. You have to find the image of this point on this line. So image, if you are saying h minus, the image is the point h comma k, and that you have to find. So x1 is here 7 by a is 2 is equal to k minus 2 by y1, b1 is 1 is equals to minus 2 into 2 times of x1 7 plus b is 1 into y1 is 2 plus c is minus 6 by a square plus b square 2 square plus 1 square. Now if I simplify this, h minus 7 by 2 is equals to a minus 2 by 1 is equals to minus 2 into 14 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 5. So h minus 7 by 2, h minus 7 by 2, a minus 2 by 1 is equals to minus 2 into 16 minus 6, 10 by 5. 5 ones of 5 2s are cancelled. H minus 7 by 2 is equals to, this will be minus 4. K minus 2 by 1 is equals to minus 4. So H minus 7 is equals to minus 8. H is equals to minus 8 plus 7. H is equals to minus 1. K minus 2 is equal to minus 4. K is equal to minus 4 plus 2. K is equals to minus 2. So this point is minus 1 comma minus 2. Now you know this point and you know this point. We can find equation of incident line passing through 2 points. Formula y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now you can consider this is x1, this is y1, this is h2, this is y2. So y minus y1 is 10 is equals y2 is minus 2 minus y1 10 by x2 minus 1 minus x1 is 3 into x minus x1 is equals to 3. Now y minus 10 is equals to, here we can write y minus 10 is equals to minus 12 by minus 4 x minus 3 minus minus cancel, 4 is a cancel, y minus 10 is equals to 3x minus 9. If you simplify this, I'll get 3x plus 5 on this side minus 1 plus minus 10 on this side plus 10. So plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the line of incident. Actually you have this one by given, but we got this one. If you compare this both, A value will be 3 and B value will be minus 1. You have to find A square plus B square plus 3AB, that is 3 square plus minus 1 square plus 3 times of 3 into minus 1, that is 9 plus 1 minus 9, plus 9 minus 10 cancel, answer is 1.